So we are here. I'm actually recording on my cell phone. Bethpage restoration. Old Bethpage restoration. And I've been here in a very long time. It's Mother's Day, and we figured, you know, what the heck? Let's go hang out here and see all the cool old stuff. See some of the stores and have a good time. Ah. What was that?
Yeah.
James having flashbacks of his old class trips here.
Yeah.
I don't think I ever did a class trip here.
Really? Every year for Girl Scouts you come.
Yeah, I don't think I did one.
Can I just tell you, it has not changed.
I mean, I would hope not, because it's like, it's supposed to be historic.
Baseball game.
Oh yeah, that's cool. They're playing an old-time baseball game here today. We'll get a better look at it. Oh, no gloves.
He's only going to be here for a minute.
There you go, Ren. Get there, Paquito. Come on, kid. Go through the legs faster.
Look at the map. That's what.
I feel like I remember this. I feel like I remember this.
Yeah?
Yeah. It does look very familiar.
But welcome to the Skank House. Now, this got two main things going for it. The first being that it's probably the oldest house that was built in one piece that you see in the village. That actually comes back from 1730.
Mm-hmm. Wow. 1730.
You guys may have noticed, no, 1730.
Yeah.
So you guys may have noticed even that all our buildings, at least as we go further down, all are flying their flags up front. That correspond to the restoration date. We don't have an American flag even. Our flag is over there.
Oh. Wow.
Yeah, we're still not even actually American yet. But they are a Dutch family, one of the first settlers for the New York area. So they had their own kind of spin in the area, including this full-style Dutch house with features like the porch. It's a very raised up, the very big and wide beams on the ceiling, the double doors, and a few other things that you'll see more of as we kind of go through the building. But it's still just a family house that belonged to a bunch of farmers, mainly led by a man named Menno Skank, with his 7 or 8 kids. So we got the parlor on that side, your very special occasion only space for the time period.
It wasn't good to be tall here. Just like
I mean, kind of worse for the doors to be tall.
Yeah.
Make sure all the heat where they need to be.
Look, the bed is in here. Oh. That's cool. A hidden hideaway.
That's so cool.
There's another very Dutch thing there, but more broadly European. There's a bed box.
So would they cook in here?
Unfortunately, they would not cook in this house.
Oh, okay.
There's actually parlor room, sitting room, but no actual kitchen installed.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this being 1730, it wasn't the period where slavery was legal and they had their own slaves. Who they go to their own quarters for outside the house that they have the kitchen. Then they bring food in not through their entrance.
William T. Loudon. So what are these? These are like the horse stalls? That's cool. Arthur J. Hendrickson. Could we go in here? Watch out for the horse manure. So comment below, have you ever been to Bethpage Restoration on Long Island? Also, you know, they also do golf. They do PGA events here.
Oh, do they?
Yeah.
No, at the golf course.
Not, yeah.
This is the golf course.
Yeah, not at, but it's right over here.
Right.
Yeah.
Oh, do we want to go there?
Why not? What's over there?
Livestock building.
Yeah, let's go.
Well, we have like a lot of stuff.
All right.
So I'm seeing.
We'll find a way over there. Go see some livestock. I'd like to see some livestock. This is so crazy. There's nobody here. Like the last time that I was here, there was so many people here. Like Nobody was thinking about this for Father's Day, except for us, but that's okay. Get the whole place to ourselves.
Hello there, welcome.
Hello.
This is the Conklin House. This house is from 1853. It was located in the village of the Branch in Smithtown. Here, Joseph Conklin, his wife Thankful, and their 1-year-old daughter Sarah were living. We got our parlor room in here. So this is for showing off their nice stuff, their china, not really for everyday eating. So more for entertaining guests.
Is this the Conklin, the same Conklin that's for like named after the road Conklin?
I am pretty sure. I don't know if they're the same branch of the family or anything like that. It was a common family name
Oh, okay.
on Long Island. I just don't know the exact relation.
Okay, that's interesting.
Yeah.
That's interesting.
So here, the stove is still functional. We use it to cook during the fall.
Oh, really? That's awesome.
Yeah, because the flume and chimney are still functional. So the wood technology, that still works. That, you light a fire, it heats up.
Yeah.
That's really
all the
cool.
same. Yeah. And we got our dry sink here. So one aspect of living without running water is the drain. So you think, you obviously have to go to the well to get your water, but when you're done with it, what do you do with the dirty water? There's no drain.
Right.
They just pour it out the window. So that's why the dry sinks are located from the windows. And of course we got our old baby chair there.
Oh yeah, look at that.
So that was for their 1-year-old daughter at the time.
That is a good baby chair.
It's nice and wide. You see the legs, so it won't
That
tip
would've-
over.
That would definitely have kept the baby in.
Yeah,
For
definitely.
sure.
Here is the workroom. So this is where Joseph Conklin would make fishing traps. He would make eel traps here. That's an eel trap right there. And he would catch eel, clams. We got clam rakes in here. And his job, it was called being a bayman. So that was one of the most popular professions in Suffolk County at the time. There were usually maritime trades were really popular. So being a sailor, a mariner, a fisherman, bayman, ship's carpenter, things like that. Very popular. Before he did this though, he was a stagecoach driver. He'd take people from Greenpoint all the way out to East Setauket. It was known as Greenpoint Run.
Yeah.
A 2-day trip. So they'd stop overnight in Smithtown at this inn owned by a man called Thomas Halleck. And that's the same man who sold him this house and happens to be the uncle of his wife. So, it kind of shows you maybe in the story of his life, they may have met there, then got married, but that the same man he used to work for sold him this house. The Long Island Railroad came in and it didn't take away his business immediately, but he saw where it was headed and decided to change careers.
Yeah. Interesting. Very interesting.
So we think the idea technology taking away people's business being a new phenomenon, but there's nothing new about it.
Right,
Yeah,
exactly,
that is very
exactly. That is very interesting for Long Island Railroad. Yeah, make sure nobody's using it. Present.
His and hers.
Oh. Oh, okay. Sorry. Ew.
Oh, careful.
Ew. No. You definitely don't want to go potty in here.
Your doctor's office.
Oh.
Oh, look, a wheelchair for a child.
Oh. Just like being in here is just like super relaxing. It's so amazing. It's this is the perfect day. The perfect day. So what are you saying?
So this building is from East Norwich and was built in 1866.
Good old year of 1866. What's that?
Price list.
Oh.
No sales tax in 18.
And buy a saw. Yep, we'll get some candy.
Oh, wow.
Upstairs.
Oh, but it's Abe Lincoln.
Hmm?
Abe Lincoln's here.
You can go up.
Oh, nice.
Go on.
Oh,
This is the master suite.
the master suite.
Big bed.
Well, a lot of times, like, if you had, like, many children, like, the children would sleep in the same bed. And then, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see, but there's a door over here. And then look, they have a front door, so this way they don't have to go through the store every time to come home. They can just
Yeah.
go through here.
Where's that? Oh, yeah. So cool. To have a store like attached to your house. You know?
Those are broken, so those are $1 for 4. These are 2 for $1.
I'll have.
Can you get ones for your sisters?
Maybe.
Maybe. They didn't want to come.
One.
Watermelon?
Okay. And that one.
You have your driver's license?
Yeah. You have to be 21 years old for
21.
those.
$1.
And then we'll take one of each of these.
Do we get one, Mary?
Sure.
Okay, $3.50 right now.
Thank you.
And I heard he said no tax because there wasn't tax back then.
1866, no
Yeah,
tax.
no tax in
No
1866.
sales tax.
Those are the days.
But then again, you didn't get any services either.
That is true.
Hello. Welcome to the Noon Inn. The year is 1850, and this is out of East Meadow.
Oh,
Four
nice.
things in one. It's a family residence. That's their parlor. Upstairs is their bedrooms, as well as the inn is upstairs, which is a little tiny room with 2 beds in it. In 1850, to get a liquor license, you had to have a place for people to stay overnight.
Interesting.
So that room is there. No one ever used it. It got them as bar. And there's also a room you can let upstairs that is basically set up for a meeting now, but it can be for any occasion. Just like we can cater a room now, they can do that then as well. So you're welcome to go upstairs and take a look around. And I do have root beer on tap, as well as bottles of water if you need anything.
Oh, nice.
Okay?
Wait, never mind, I did not misremember.
You remember this one?
I did not misremember. There actually is root beer.
Tiny, tiny room. This is gonna be Alyssa's room. When she got
Oh, wow. Yeah. When she, in a new place.
You want water?
Or
Or you want a root beer?
yeah, let's try root beer.
Okay. Sure.
2, and I'll have a water. Thank you.
Root beers, there's water.
How was it, James?
How's your root beer?
Always a lot of words.
Have a great
Thank you
day.
so much. Have a great day.
Bye.
Comment below if you can go back to any century. Which one do you go back to? I feel like the 1800s would be either 1700 or 1800. I think is the way I would go. But comment below. What do you guys? What about you guys?
First, just go left, and it's right there.
Oh, that's really cool.
Okay. No problem. Want to have my dollar?
You should get it.
Do you want one?
You want one?
Nice day.
Yeah.
You too.
Here's $10 for one of these.
Yep. Jacob's ladder is $4, so your change will be 6. How's your day going so far?
Great.
Great.
Fantastic.
Awesome.
Beautiful weather.
Yeah.
Yeah, we were really lucky with the weather today.
Got all that rain out of the way yesterday.
On YouTube, it's actually really cool how they make hats. This is his house.
It'd be nice to sit here. Nice little fire pit. Roast some marshmallows. What? Well, this guy got like long sticks. But they didn't have any lawn chairs. There were no lawn chairs.
How you doing today?
How are you?
Welcome to the Lawrence house.
College Point, Queens.
What was that?
It's from Queens.
Oh, College Point.
Right on 14th Avenue, right?
Hmm.
This is the home of Leonard Lawrence, who purchased the property around 1774.
Hmm.
He's a wealthy gentleman farmer. That's where his wealth from. The Lawrence family actually had the house for about 100 years, right up to about the
Oh, wow.
1870s. Yeah.
Hmm. Wow.
Come on in. It's a good close look. It's probably our largest home, probably our wealthiest family.
Hmm.
You're now entering their dining room. The furniture and furnishings are not the family's, but they are from the time period. So we're looking at both 18th and 19th century pieces. That room back there is a study, it's set up as a study.
Are these their portraits?
No, this is George Washington Mayer and his wife. And in the study, the portrait that's above the mantle was Philip Hone, H-O-N-E. He was a one-time mayor of New York, 1826 to 1827. But again, these pieces, this is a sideboard, dates to the late 1700s. This
Wow.
is
So amazing.
Chinese box. This is actually imperial. This dates to the 1700s as well.
Hmm.
Wow.
Hi, sheep. Hi, sheep. Hi. Oh, they're walking in a pair.
Oh, oh.
Oh.
Those are goats, not sheep. Those are sheep.
There's a sheep, yep.
Oh, you have an itch. Oh,
Oh.
kind of dirty. You're kind of dirty, and you have an itchy butt.
Yeah.
I guess you got an itchy butt. You got an itchy butt. Yeah. Oh, your eyes are freaky. Hi. Hi, big pig. Oh boy, that's a big pig.
Oh, there he is. What's up there, pig?
That is a huge pig. James, did you see it? Oh, oh. Oh, there's another pig back there. Oh, hi, pig.
Hi, pig.
You're,
Oh.
You're a very big pig.
And he's got all the flies around him. Jeez, that thing is huge.
Hi.
Hi.
Oh,
Oh.
oh boy. You okay?
Rough day.
That's like being a pig.
This is the beast within.
The oven?
Yeah. Very interesting. And here's more wool. Mmm. Corn. They're gone?
Oh, ooh. Hold on.
Right there, hanging down. Oh.
You chew it, little spider.
Hi, spider.
That was cute. Just like hanging from the ceiling.
Yeah.
So welcome to the Powell House.
That's indeed.
This is the only house that's original to Old Bethpage. All the others were moved here.
Huh, interesting. Wow.
Originally there was Thomas Powell from Huntington who came down here and bought the land from natives. He gave the name of Bethpage as well, as Bethpage is in between Jericho and Jerusalem in the New Testament. And on Long Island there was already a Jericho and Jerusalem home on Long Island. Yeah.
Interesting.
Hi, sheeps.
They're hungry. They're having afternoon snack.
Hi, the sheeps.
They're having second lunch.
Yup, second lunch.
So interesting, the small little tiny windows.
Yeah. Up top, yeah.
Yeah. That's cool. Like this is, you can tell like the stone look is all looks like it had to be. you know.
Yeah,
re-
pretty amazing. This is like the only house I was actually
Yeah.
here from Bethpage.
Look at all that. Look at all the wool.
Oh yeah.
That's a lot of wool.
Ooh, the smell. I don't know why, but this smells like a little satisfying. Don't you think so?
Hello, Mr. Goat.
Oh, we got a goat?
Hello, Mr. Billy Goat. Is your name Billy?
There he is. The goat.
Why are you looking?
He's the greatest of all time, right there.
He's like licking the fence.
The goat. Don't look at the fence, goat. Goat, you don't know where that fence has been.
His name is Billy.
He's the greatest of all time.
That's some eggs.
Oh. I want to put all the eggs in one basket, Mary. Jokes.
I'm a dozen.
There a dozen. Oh, more jokes. Oh. Chickens. Oh. Turkeys.
Big turkeys.
That's a turkey.
Hi.
That's a turkey. Oh. Oh.
Oh.
That was kind of rude.
Is that a turkey too? Is that a baby turkey?
What you guys up to?
Is that a quail?
Ooh, quail. Throwing the quail.
Turkeys have that like weird.
Flappy stuff.
God bless. They're like kind of like.
Oh yeah. They're pretty like amazing
Yeah, I
looking.
think that's the quail because I remember they were loud and obnoxious.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh.
excuse you.
It is also chatty.
You have to go on the house.
Oh, look, there's actually a farm out there.
Yeah.
What's in here?
Nothing. It's stinky.
Just a stink. This is the stinky room. Ooh.
There was a fence right here, so you can't do that.
So what? So where are we going?
We're gonna.
Show me on the
We
map.
need to go back to the general store because his is broken. So we're gonna go to the general store, then we're gonna come back, then we're gonna zigzag.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna go to the cemetery, and then we'll come around, and then that's it.
Okay. Cool. James got his replacement. Show him the replacement, James. Now see it like working fully, completely. Correctly. How do you do it? Yay!
Do it that way now.
I'm just like at a bad angle.
Yeah.
Oh, it's purple.
You're not a pro at that. James is a pro. James is joining the team. What is this here, man? Kirby, like the Nintendo character?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that little piano. Huh.
Oh, the whole family can go to the bathroom together.
Oh. Oh, really? Oh, it's a party. And all different sizes too. One for the little kids and then one for like the big mama. I don't know. I wonder if like they used to do that. They would just like all go to the bathroom at the same time. I mean, they probably did.
Well, I mean, if like a kid was scared and
Yeah.
yeah, like in the middle of the night and.
Oh, what? Cradle?
Little cradle.
This is the Benjamin
Oh, yeah.
house. It was built back in 1829. It's restored to that same year, 1829. It was originally out east on Long Island, over near Riverhead, in a town called Northville, if you're familiar with that area.
Interesting.
And Mr. William Benjamin, who owned this house, was primarily a farmer, but he was also a Congregationalist minister, as well as being a soldier in the local militia during the War of 1812. There were 10 people living in this house at the time. So that's all the basics. If there's anything else you'd like to know or any questions, feel free to ask and take a look around.
James, look at the map. See how the map?
Huh?
Like Ohio looks like Ohio, but that's about it.
Yeah.
Virginia had more.
Yeah.
It's because West Virginia hadn't split off yet.
Oh, interesting.
That wouldn't happen until the Civil War. Two other things on that map, like Florida isn't on the map yet.
That's right.
This is part of the U.S. yet.
Which is very interesting.
And they clearly hadn't mapped out all of Michigan yet or past it. So.
Wisconsin yet.
No, Wisconsin, yeah, sorry.
Seems this is one of the bigger houses?
I suppose so. I mean, there were 10 people, so
yeah.
For that reason,
yeah.
larger
yeah.
than some of the others, where there were only 3 people. For instance, in the house across the street,
right?
That's
yeah,
the
that
Kirby house. Yeah, that one only had 3 people. Same with the Conklin house. So kind of depends.
Yeah.
This one was also in a very rural area comparatively,
right.
which is also part of why it might be a bit bigger.
Interesting. It's time to go to school. All right, dropping you off at school, James. Oh, this is so cool. Yeah. The test might have been a little bit easier then. So in those days, how was school? Like, was school like, obviously there's no high school, junior high school and things like that. Like, what ages went to school?
Ages 4 to 15, especially at this school, which was in Manhasset. The school was built in 1826 and was restored tower built in 1845.
Uh-huh. Interesting. 4 to 15. We were done at school at 15. And then... That's it. Oh, look, this is like a stove. I guess they keep the heat, right? For the heat.
It's a wood burning stove, and we still use this wood burning stove in the winter time, and we especially during our candlelight evening program on the village.
Uh-huh.
So then at nighttime during Christmas and New Year's.
The real cemeteries?
Yeah. Is Valentine's Day named after him?
Oh, Whitmore.
Whitmore.
Oh, Whitmore.
Huh.
42.
Yeah, I haven't seen any pennies.